So what is subnet? But before we talk about subnet, let's talk about, or let's ask ourselves, can you only create one VPC on AWS? No, you can create multiple VPC on AWS. In fact, most companies or most users, they tend to demarcate or separate their production environment away from their test or development environment. Some people like to separate production environment from test environment using a separate AWS account. But some company might decide, maybe because of money or because of cost or anything, might decide to use the same account but a different VPC. So on AWS, you can create multiple VPC. You can have a production VPC and you can have a lab VPC. Just make sure that whenever or if for any reason you want the two VPC to be able to communicate together, then you have to make sure that their IP are not overlapped. So if you are using the IP range of 10.0.0.0/16 on this one, then this should change to something else like 10.1.0.0/16. They should not be the same IP range like 00. So that you might have difficulties connecting them together. So this is managing multiple VPC on AWS.